Ayan guys, good morning. Pi update tayo for today. March 4, Tuesday, 2025, 11:43 a.m. Manila time. Okay, nakikita natin sa Pi mining natin, meron tayong running na 972 Pi coins. Yung update natin sa video today guys is finally, nakikita ko na yung transferable amount natin ay na-migrate na. Okay? So, kumbaga na-achieve na natin yung first step na nakikita na natin finally sa migrated status yung some amount ng ating Pi coins. Okay? So, pagka chinek natin guys yung mainnet checklist natin, uh, ayan siya, kompletong-kompleto yung ano. Dito sa dulong-dulo guys, makikita natin, congratulations, you have uh, been added to the automatic migration queue.